Hi, my name is Guru Raj, and I'm looking forward to introducing you to Amazon Connect Wisdom, a new set of capabilities that makes it easier and faster for agents to find the information they need to address customer issues during calls or chats. I'm excited to have Lizzie Mitchell joining me today to discuss how Traeger Grills is using these new features to assist its agents. We'll begin with a brief introduction to Amazon Connect. Then we'll discuss common challenges confronting agents, particularly those that are new to the contact center and trying to find the information they need to solve customer problems. We'll see how Amazon Connect Wisdom cuts through these challenges using machine learning-powered search and how it improves productivity by providing agents automatic real-time recommendations. Then I'll turn it over to Lizzie to describe how these features are benefiting Traeger's agents. For those who are less familiar, we launched Amazon Connect, the easy-to-use omni-channel cloud contact center, in 2017. Amazon Connect is 100% cloud-based and can be set up in minutes without the need to write any code. Amazon Connect has the flexibility to scale up or down in a moment's notice, depending on the volume of contacts from your customers. Contact flows allow you to create experiences personalized to your customers' needs. Amazon Connect seamlessly integrates with other enterprise applications to address use cases specific to your organization. AWS partners already support over 185 different powerful and simple integrations with Amazon Connect, and that number continues to grow. Finally, with Amazon Connect, you only pay for what you use, which allows you to focus on inventing and innovating new experiences for your customers without having to navigate confusing or costly licensing models. We've been hard at work over the last 3.5 years, and we're not slowing down anytime soon when it comes to new features. Recent launches include Spanish language support for Amazon Lex AI chatbots, along with new lifelike voices supported by Amazon Polly, which uses machine learning to turn text into speech. Connect is available in 7 regions around the world, including US East, US West, London, Frankfurt, Tokyo, Sydney, and Singapore. In addition to new regions and features, we're proud of lowering prices for our customers 5 times since 2017. During reInvent this year, we're excited to announce several new features that make it easier to integrate Connect into your contact center. Amazon Connect Customer Profiles, for example, scans and matches customer records across multiple applications for unique identifiers like phone numbers or account IDs. Customer Profiles then combines contact history information from Amazon Connect with customer information stored in CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, or order management systems in order to build a unified customer profile that's displayed to agents in the Amazon Connect user interface, right alongside any other information they require. And this brings us to Amazon Connect Wisdom. We built this feature in response to common requests from our customers. Specifically, how can our customers empower their agents in real time with the specific information they need during calls or chats? This has never been particularly easy, and it's never been more important than it is right now. When customers contact an organization, they have every expectation that their problems are resolved quickly. They expect that an agent has all the relevant knowledge needed to solve their particular issue. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. When an agent doesn't have what they need, they scramble. They search through manuals and help sites and wikis. One agent I talked to even referenced keeping sticky notes on the bottom of their monitor detailing instructions for how to address complicated topics that came up all too frequently. Confused agents ping other agents or they escalate to managers. All the while, customers sit in silence, waiting while their frustration builds. When polled by PwC, 46% of customers indicated that stopped doing business with a company if its employees lacked the knowledge needed to address their concerns. And alarmingly, 1 in 3 said that they'd walk away from a brand they love after a single bad experience. Let's walk through an example that I bet many of us have encountered. A customer calls into a contact center to get help with the washing machine and reports that it's making a loud rattling noise. An agent answering the call begins with qualifying questions. Do you have the model number? If not, can you let me know whether your washing machine is a front load or a top load? Can you describe the sound in more detail? Does it make the same noise on all load sizes? These questions help the agent narrow down the problem and begin searching for a potential solution. Often this means looking for information across multiple different sources. A public website contains PDFs of product manuals. An internal file share houses a list of recommended troubleshooting tips. Warranty information lives in a partner company's database. And the quality of search within all of these systems varies wildly. New agents can struggle the most. In this case, after keeping a customer waiting, the agent has to escalate to a manager to approve a dispatch for a technician for a diagnostic call, given that the agent wasn't able to help the customer resolve the issue in real time. And this is increasing this company's business's cost to serve. To help agents avoid these common pitfalls, we're introducing Amazon Connect Wisdom. Amazon Connect Wisdom includes machine learning-powered search that finds the information that agents need from across knowledge repositories. It includes real-time recommendations that leverages speech analytics to identify customer issues, then automatically suggest relevant content without an agent needing to execute a search. And finally, it includes continuous improvement mechanisms to improve the relevance of search results and recommendations based on agent behavior and feedback. Now let's walk through how Amazon Connect Wisdom would have helped our agent in addressing the customer's concerns about their washing machine. First, with Amazon Connect Wisdom, machine learning-powered search, agents can easily find content using natural language queries. In this case, the agent could simply type in, "What's the warranty period for a front-load washing machine?" And they'd receive specific answers, in this case, 2 years. With Amazon Connect Wisdom, you can access existing content using pre-built connectors that integrate knowledge content from popular applications, including Salesforce and ServiceNow, with support for additional connectors on the way. No costly, time-intensive migrations of this knowledge content is needed. Further, Amazon Connect Wisdom leverages real-time speech analytics to automatically detect customer issues during calls and then recommend information to help them resolve the issue, without the agent needing to lift a finger. This makes it even easier for agents of any tenure to meet customer needs. In this case, our agent automatically is presented with a specific passage in a troubleshooting guide in response to the customer's description of the rattling noises they hear from their washing machine. Finally, agents are able to rate the relevance and effectiveness of content in answering customer questions. Thumbs up or thumbs down feedback improves both search results and real-time recommendations provided by Amazon Connect Wisdom. When appropriate, agents can provide feedback specific with details, including why content didn't meet their needs, allowing supervisors and managers insights when they're going to update that content and improve its quality. Amazon Connect Wisdom is now available in preview for customers who are interested in evaluating its capabilities. Joining me now is one such customer, Lizzie Mitchell, who serves as the head of customer experience analytics at Traeger Grills. Thanks for sharing your perspective with us, Lizzie.
Traeger invented the original wood-fired grill in 1985 in Mount Angel, Oregon. For generations, it's been a brand with a loyal fan base and a cult following. Less than a decade ago, under new management, we relocated and revitalized. Today, we're based in Salt Lake City, Utah, where we lead the industry as the world's #1 selling wood-fired grill. Traeger has all the advantages of an established brand, but we're not stuck in the past. We combine the tried-and-true method of hardwood pellet smoking with exciting innovations such as Wi-Fi connected grills to accomplish our mission of bringing people together to create a more flavorful world. I've been at Traeger since this past June. While my official role is a data analyst, on our tight-knit team, I have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects. In addition to surfacing statistical insights to our team and partners, I work closely with our head of CX operations on all technical aspects of optimizing our contact center. I was lucky to join at a transformative time for the CX team here at Traeger. Based on growth, we have quadrupled CX staffing this year. In March, we transitioned our contact center to Amazon Connect, and since then have optimized our contact channels to eliminate email while incorporating chat and social media support. We have also simplified the agent experience to automate contact reason detection, eliminating the need for manual dispositions. As a result, we've seen a 30% increase in CSAT and a 70% increase in first contact resolution. We have customers reach out to us for a wide variety of reasons, for everything from setting up the Wi-Fi connection between grill and app to asking questions about performance and maintenance of grill parts. We even have customers call asking for recipe suggestions. The biggest pain point for our agents today is finding solutions to customer issues quickly. Since many of our customers call with technically complex questions, our agents are required to review specific knowledge content. Agents often search an exact phrase over and over again based on tribal knowledge of what precise search will yield the desired results. An easily accessible search history is incredibly helpful as it allows them to more rapidly find the articles they reference the most. Also, removing the reliance on known search terms allows agents to search simply using a question like, "How to set up Wi-Fi on an Android phone?" Another common challenge we face is preparing new agents for all circumstances. It takes new agents time to become proficient in discovering relevant content, and our former search tool wasn't intuitive. When our agents are automatically provided the information that's directly relevant to the call at hand, It not only reduces training time, but also boosts agents' confidence in being able to solve customer issues on their very first day. This also improves the experience of our customers as it allows the agent to focus on creating a connection and confidently addressing the reason for the contact rather than searching for the relevant reference material. These are two agent-facing pain points, but we do see another pain point in setting agents up for success in the first place. We haven't had a means of feedback or tracking that provides insight into the relevance and quality of our knowledge content, so we haven't always known what direction to go in to improve. Previously, the only agent feedback was from an occasional form submission with a request for updated content. Since this takes time and effort to navigate to and complete the form, it really only alerts us to major problems rather than general trends. By giving our agents an easy way to rate content with thumbs up and thumbs down feedback, and also providing them a way to quickly describe why the information wasn't helpful, we can pinpoint where we need to begin optimizing our knowledge base.
Thanks for sharing your experience with Amazon Connect and the value Traeger agents are finding with Amazon Connect Wisdom, Lizzie. We really appreciate it. If you haven't tried Amazon Connect yet, you can sign up for free today by logging into the AWS console, answering a few short questions, claiming a phone number, and then beginning to take calls in minutes. All customers are invited to join the Amazon Connect Wisdom Preview to see how real-time recommendations and ML-powered search can help your agents get the information they need to successfully address customer issues. You can learn more and sign up for the preview by visiting aws.amazon.com/connect/wisdom. Finally, we have a number of resources to help you deploy and optimize Amazon Connect, including new training modules available at aws.amazon.com/connect/resources. We're fortunate to have a number of customers, in addition to Lizzie from Traeger Grills, who have agreed to share their experiences with Amazon Connect Wisdom, including Barclays, Best Western, Origin Energy, and the U.S. Small Business Administration. We have partners who are joining us as well, including Accenture and Salesforce. And I'd invite you to join any of these other reInvent 2020 sessions that you find relevant. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about Amazon Connect Wisdom. We appreciate your feedback in completing the survey for this session as well. It's helpful in continually improving the quality of content we share with you during reInvent.